Now we are going to discuss some important questions which appear in intermediate public examinations from the chapter of chemical bonding. In this aspect, we are first going to discuss the question which repeated many times from this chapter, that is related to hybridization. Now you see that question here. Discuss the phenomenon of hybridization of atomic orbitals with suitable examples. First, dear students, try to understand this question carefully. Then only 8 marks will be awarded totally to this question. In this question, two parts are there. What are the two parts? First one is we have to define the hybridization and we have to explain sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridizations with suitable examples. Now here let us see the solution, and we are going to see for each step how many marks are to be allotted in intermediate public examinations. Now let us discuss hybridization. The intermixing of atomic orbitals of almost equal energies of an atom and their redistribution into an equal number of identical orbitals is known as hybridization. So this is the definition of hybridization. And as we know that the concept of hybridization was introduced by Pauling, and according to the concept of hybridization, the intermixing of orbitals, that means the orbitals should intermix each other. The orbitals which are going to intermix should have nearly same energy. As a result, the orbitals which are formed are called as hybrid orbitals. So in this way, if we write the concept of, that is definition of hybridization, 2 marks are awarded for this concept of hybridization. Now we are going to discuss the types of hybridizations, that is sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridizations with one example each. Now in the part of that, first we are going to discuss about sp hybridization in detail. In this one we have to cover few points. What are that few points? You see here. In sp hybridization, one s and one p orbital combine each other to form sp hybrid orbitals. So in this point we are going to discuss how sp hybrid orbitals are formed. So by this point it is clear that in sp hybrid orbitals, one s and one p orbital intermix each other. Next point, you see here, the bond angle between the hybrid orbitals in sp hybridization is 180 degrees and the shape of the molecule will be linear. That means in sp hybridization the shape of the molecule will be linear, and as a result the bond angle of the molecule is 180 degrees. And since in this hybridization only one s and one p orbitals are overlapping, so the s contribution is 50% and p contribution is 50%. Now we are going to explain this sp hybridization by taking beryllium chloride as an example. What is the formula of beryllium chloride? You see here, beryllium chloride formula is BeCl2. And now we are going to see how sp hybridization takes place in beryllium chloride molecule. In beryllium chloride, the central atom is beryllium, and you see here its atomic number is 4, so its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. So if beryllium atom is excited, one electron from s orbital excites to p orbital. Therefore the excited state electronic configuration of beryllium is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py0 and 2pz0. So in this excited state, in 2s one unpaired electron is present and in 2px also one unpaired electron is present. Therefore one 2s orbital and one 2p orbital of beryllium undergoes intermixing to form two sp hybrid orbitals. As a result, in beryllium chloride molecule, the central atom beryllium undergoes sp hybridization. And here you see in beryllium chloride, 2 chlorine atoms are present. As we know that each chlorine atom contains one unpaired electron in p subshell. Therefore the two p subshells of 2 chlorine atoms overlap linearly with sp hybrid orbital of beryllium and forms 2 sigma sp-p bonds. As a result, beryllium chloride molecule possess linear shape with bond angle 180 degrees. So in this way, we can explain the sp hybridization by taking beryllium chloride as an example. And dear students, if you cover all these points along with the diagrams shown here, then for this sp hybridization, 2 marks will be awarded. Now let us go for sp2 hybridization. See, the name itself indicating sp2 means 1s and 2 p orbitals are involved. So in this type of hybridization, 1s and 2 p orbitals are involved to form 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals. And in this hybridization, the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar with bond angle 120 degrees. And here you see the S and P characters. Remember, in sp2 hybridization, the S character is 1/3, that is 33.3%, and P character is 2/3, that is 66.6%. Now, to explain the sp2 hybridization, let us take BCl3 molecule as an example. As we know that BCl3 is boron trichloride. In BCl3 molecule, the central atom is boron, whose atomic number is 5, and its ground state electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. When boron atom is excited, one electron from 2s orbital excites to 2p orbital. As a result, the excited state configuration of boron is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. Therefore, one 2s orbital and two 2p orbitals of boron intermix each other to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and in this way we can conclude that in BCl3 molecule the central atom boron undergoes sp2 hybridization. And you see here in BCl3 molecule 3 chlorine atoms are present. As we discussed already that each chlorine contain one unpaired electron in p subshell. So the 3 p subshells of 3 chlorine atoms overlap linearly with sp2 hybrid orbital of boron and forms 3 sigma sp2p bonds. As a result, BCl3 molecule possesses trigonal planar shape with bond angle 120 degrees. So in this way, if you explain clearly sp2 hybridization, still 2 marks will be awarded. Now let us discuss about the last hybridization, that is sp3 hybridization. And here also the name itself indicating that 1s and 3p orbitals intermix each other to form 4 identical sp3 hybrid orbitals. And in this hybridization, since only one s orbital is involving, the s character is 1/4, that is 25%, and p character is 3/4, that is 75%. And in this hybridization, the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral, and hence the bond angle of the molecule will be 109 degrees 28 minutes. Now to explain sp3 hybridization,